Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. Today in this video we would be having a look at KuCoin. KuCoin, also known as the People's Exchange, is built for all classes of investors and also is the #1 altcoin exchange with over 600 plus assets and 1100 plus trading pairs, and provides features which includes spot trading, P2P trading, staking and many more to over 10 million users in 207 countries and regions worldwide. And as per the CoinMarketCap as well as CoinGecko, KuCoin is a top 5 crypto exchange. So apart from having a look at what KuCoin exchange is, we would also be learning about the features of KuCoin P2P trading as well as the steps on how you can buy bitcoins with the P2P trading. So let us now get started to the video. First, go to the video description. Therein, you will find my referral link for KuCoin. Once you open that link, you will be redirected to this page. And as you can see over here, you can start trading Bitcoin and 600 plus cryptocurrencies with as little as $1. So even if you do not have a huge portfolio, you can still be investing in KuCoin because the minimum amount here is just of $1. Another interesting fact about KuCoin is that 1 out of every 4 crypto holders worldwide is a KuCoin user. So it is really a proud moment for a KuCoin user like me. Below you can see the sign up link wherein you can either insert your email or your phone number and then click on the option sign up. You can sign up to KuCoin using two different ways, either by your email address or by using your phone number. If you have chosen the email option, you first need to insert your address, then you need to insert your verification code, set up a login password and then make sure that the referral code is correctly inserted. Once done, click on the I agree and then click on the sign up. This is how easily you can sign up to KuCoin exchange. As I'm a registered user already, I have logged into my account. As you can see over here, I have $50 worth of total assets. Let me now teach you how to buy crypto from KuCoin. In order to do that, click on the section Buy Crypto. Therein, you will find 3 different subsections. First is the fast trade, wherein you can buy USDT with your Master, Visa or SCPA card. Second option is by third party, wherein you will see options like Banza, Simplex as well as BTC Direct. Last but not the least is the P2P method, wherein you can find 20 plus different payment methods. Talking about the features of KuCoin P2P trading, first of all, there is no fees that would be charged from you. Yes friends, you heard it correct. KuCoin P2P is totally free of charge. Second feature about KuCoin P2P trading is its high liquidity as well as best price in the market. Another interesting feature of KuCoin P2P trading is its user-friendly fund protection policy, wherein your funds are totally guaranteed by the KuCoin exchange. Also, all the merchants in the KuCoin exchange are professional as well as 100% reliable. Last but not the least, the transaction in the KuCoin P2P trading is fast. Before you actually proceed to the P2P trading, first thing you need to do is click on your avatar. Therein, click on the option which is KYC verification. Once you click on that option, you need to complete your individual verification. As you can see, I am fully verified on the KuCoin exchange. If you are a verified KuCoin user, you will get some privilege. First among which is you can do daily withdrawals up to 200 BTC, which is huge. As well as the maximum leverages on the future trading is over 100x. Last but not the least, your daily trading limit would be of over 70,000 USDT. Let me now take you to the P2P section. And as you can see over here, you can buy or sell various cryptos which include USDT, BTC, ETH, KCS which is the own native token of KuCoin exchange as well as USDC. And you can even choose various currencies. Right now I am on USD. You can choose AED, ARS and do P2P trading in all the major currencies. In this example, I have chosen Indian rupee. Below you can see various traders who are willing to sell their crypto. In this video example, I'll be buying Bitcoin. And after choosing that option, below you will find 3 different traders. And as you can see, they are fully verified on KuCoin. So which means they are 100% trusted. So what I'm gonna do is, I'll be trading with the first person who is selling me Bitcoin at the lowest price. Before you actually proceed to trade, please make sure that you check out the limit of each and every user. Now friends, talking about the payment method, these are the list of all the payment methods which are available in the KuCoin P2P trading. You can choose any one as per your choice. In order to proceed to trade, let me click on buy option. Before you actually proceed, make sure that you have read out the remarks, first among which is do not transfer from third party account. Second rule is that write your name in the remark section. In this video, I'll be buying 500 rupees worth of BTC and this is the total number of Bitcoin that I'll be receiving. Let me now click on the place order. And after clicking on the place order, you can see all of the details of how much you have to send, how much you will be receiving, as well as the account details of that particular merchant. So what I'm gonna do is, I'll pause this video, make the transaction and then resume this video.
A few moments later.
Here is the proof of the payment which I have sent to that particular merchant. Once you have sent that payment, click on the option which is mark as paid. And these are some rules which you need to follow. Please make sure that you click on this option only after sending the payment. Then click on the continue. What I'm gonna do is, I'll be resuming this video once after the merchant has marked my order as paid. So the time currently is 19:08. And guys, within just 5 minutes, as you can see over here, my order has been completed, which basically means that I have successfully received my BTC funds as well. And as you can see over here, I have received exact number of BTC which I was promised that I would be receiving. This was the process on how to perform P2P trading in the KuCoin exchange. So that is it for the video.